Hey everyone, as we close out 2024, I want to take a minute to reflect on what an incredible year it's been here at Revant. First off, a huge thank you to all of you, our community. Whether you're here for the first time or you've been with us since the beginning, 2010, we could not do this without you. This year alone, we shipped more than 300,000 pairs of lenses around the world, a record year for us. That saved customers over $30 million by replacing lenses instead of buying new eyewear. That's huge. But for us, it's not just about the numbers, it's about the impact. It's about the community we've built and the journey that we're on together. With over 9,000 five-star reviews, you've shown us that our work here really matters, and we don't take that lightly. This year, we moved into this beautiful new headquarters here in Portland, Oregon, the Pearl District. We have expanded manufacturing. We have more room for our team to work together and create amazing products and tell our stories. We welcome some incredible new talent to the Revant family and strengthen our roots here in the community. So from all of us here at Revant to you, thank you for a fantastic year. We couldn't have done it without you. Now, I know I said 2024 was big, and it was, but 2025 is going to be next level. We have so much going on. We've been working on a lot of things behind the scenes, and I cannot wait to share them with you. So subscribe to our channel and leave some comments below if there's new things you'd like to see from Revant. Happy holidays to all of you and have a great new year. I'll see you in 2025.